Science quiz, Physics, 1. What kind of force is friction? A. Conservative force B. Non-conservative force C. Centripetal force D. Centrifugal force. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Non-conservative force. 2. Which of the following is an example of potential energy? A. A moving car. B. A compressed spring. C. A spinning top. D. A flowing river. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. A compressed spring. 3. What term describes a fluid's resistance to flow? A. Viscosity. B. Density. C. Surface tension. D. Buoyancy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. A. Viscosity. 4. What kind of image is formed by a plane mirror? A. Real and inverted. B. Real and upright. C. Virtual and inverted. D. Virtual and upright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. D. Virtual and upright. 5. What is the term for the change of state from a gas to a liquid? A. Evaporation. B. Freezing. C. Condensation. D. Sublimation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Condensation.